Cpim course. What is Cpim? Production and Inventory course. Cpim course given by APICS Institute allowed you swiftly build your manufacturing and stock management experience, which conserves your time and money. Cpim is a renowned production, stock and preparation certification course that will open up brand new possibilities for you in a specialist profession. First, with the Cpim course, you will certainly find out approaches that are utilized to grasp all manufacturing and stock measurements. Also, the Cpim course will help you to pass the Cpim examination from the first attempt. Essentially, gaining the Cpim can promptly lead to salary increases by 40% as well as even more. The Certification in Manufacturing and Supply Management (Cpim) was introduced by APICS in 1973 to offer a typical basis for individuals to examine their knowledge in the advancing area of product monitoring. Since then, APICS qualification has ended up being recognized around the world as a requirement of expert competence in supply chain management. The Cpim training course is currently separated into two parts: Cpim Part 1 and also Cpim Part 2. In the Cpim course Part 1, you will discover the basic principles of the supply chain, including planning, stream mapping, need monitoring, production preparation as well as input-output control. About APICS Cpim certification. The Cpim course is recognized globally as the standard of professional competence. Increase functional knowledge of production and inventory, improve internal operations and increase customer satisfaction. This certification enhances the professional value of the individual, increases the earning potential, and provides a career advantage over peers. One can learn necessary terminologies, concepts, and strategies related to various knowledge areas like procurement and supplier planning, demand management, MRP, capacity requirements planning, sales and operations planning, master scheduling, performance measurements, supplier relationships, etc. Significance of Cpim course certification in 2021. Cpim course certification supplies a usual basis for people to examine their expertise in the advancing field of materials management. Cpim qualification has actually ended up being identified around the world as a standard of specialist skills in supply chain management (SCM). Obvious dedication to expert development as well as advancement. Learning outcome. Increase your salary. On average, designees sees a 25% increase. Improve your hiring potential by 65%. Career advancement. Professional growth. Increased credibility and recognition. Demonstrated commitment to advancing your career and your company's operations. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for Cpim course in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best production and inventory management exam preparation course. This certification training offered by Zabeel Institute stands out from other training in the market. This exam result and pass percentage in Zabeel Institute is very high, which is increasing day by day under the constant support and guidance from the instructor. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for production and inventory management every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. For further information, please contact phone 00971 4 3974 WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/